Konnichiwa minasan, welcome back to the channel. This is Pradeep Sharma and today we are going to learn two kanji in this video. Our first kanji is the kanji of man, male, which is taken from N5, and our second kanji is the kanji of shrik, which is taken from N4. So now let's start with the kanji of N5, which is the kanji of man, male. Hajimemashou. So guys, let's start with the strokes of this kanji. Here we can see that this kanji has 7 strokes. So now let's start with the strokes of this kanji. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the final kanji which is having 7 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now let's practice for the strokes of this kanji. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it for the one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it for the final time. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the final kanji is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So guys, this is the final kanji which is having 7 strokes. So now let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. Konyomi of this kanji is otoko, which is written in hiragana and romaji, and onyomi of this kanji are dan and nan. Both are written in romaji and katakana. So now let's move to the meanings of this kanji. Here we will learn 3 meanings of this kanji. First is, if you are writing this kanji alone without any suffix or without any prefix, then we will pronounce it otoko, which is written in romaji as well, and otoko means a man. And if you are writing this kanji as a prefix with no and the kanji of child, then these would be pronounced as otoko no ko, written in romaji as well. Otoko no ko means a boy, and here are written 4 kanji in the final meaning, and all these 4 kanji we have already studied about these 4 kanjis. I'll drop the link in description for every kanji which we have already studied. So let's start. If you are writing this kanji as a prefix with the kanji of child, study and live, then these would be pronounced as dan shigaku se. Dan shigaku se means a boy student. So guys, this was the kanji of man, male. Now let's move to our second kanji. Second kanji also we will start with the strokes. So guys, we can see here this kanji have 10 strokes. Let's focus on the strokes which would have to follow to make this kanji. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is the final kanji which is having 10 strokes. Let's practice for our easiness. Please focus because this kanji have a little bit more strokes rather than our last kanji. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let's do it for the final time. 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and final is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So guys, this is the final kanji which is having 10 strokes. So now let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. Guys, we can see that this kanji don't have any kunyomi, blank, and onyomi of this kanji is byo, written in romaji and katakana. So now let's move to the meanings of this kanji. Here we will learn 3 meanings of this kanji. If we are writing this kanji as a prefix with ki also have a different kanji, we will study about it later, then these will be pronounced as byoki, and byoki means sickness. And if we are writing this kanji again as a prefix with in also have a different kanji, about which we will study later. So we will pronounce it, if you are writing these things together, these will be pronounced as byoin, written in romaji as well, and byoin means a hospital. And our final kanji is, here again we are writing this kanji as a prefix with the kanji of person. This is the kanji of person. We have already studied this kanji. I will drop the link in description. If you are writing these two kanji together, these will be pronounced as byonin, and byonin means a sick person. So guys, these were the kanji. This is the kanji of sick. I hope you guys have understood this video. Then please do like the video, share the video with your friends, and don't forget to comment your reviews in the comment box. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Arigatou gozaimasu. Jamata.